In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an Airwallex account in Canada step by step. If you want to follow along, you'll find a link in the description to the Airwallex sign up page. Before we begin, let's quickly look at the available plans. Airwallex offers several plans designed for different business needs. For this video, we are going to use the Explore plan, which is completely free and perfect to start with. You can get a feel for the platform and how it works by making your first transaction before making a commitment. Now let's get started with the account creation process. First, go to the Airwallex Canada sign up page by use the link provided in the description below the video. Airwallex will ask for your business email address. Enter the email address you want to use for your account and then click Get Started. You will now be asked a few questions about your business. Select the option that best describes the size of your company. If you are a sole proprietor or operate your business alone, choose the option that indicates you are the only employee. Next, select your expected monthly transaction volume. Choose the range that most closely matches the amount you expect to send or receive through Airwallex each month. You will then be asked about your primary reason for using Airwallex. Select the option that best fits your needs, such as opening local and international accounts, managing payments, or making international transfers. You may also be asked about additional products or services that interest you. Choose any options that apply to your business and then click Continue. Now it's time to enter your personal details. Type your legal first name and legal last name exactly as they appear on your government-issued identification. Create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and contains a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enter your business name. Use the official registered name of your business whenever possible. You will then be asked for your business location. Select Canada as your business headquarters. After that, enter your Canadian phone number. Make sure the number is correct because it will be used for account verification. Before submitting the application, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to confirm that you agree with the terms and then click Create Account. At this stage, Airwallex will begin the verification process. A verification code may be sent to your mobile phone by SMS. Check your messages, enter the code on the screen, and click Confirm. You will also need to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Airwallex. Click the verification link inside the email to confirm your address. Depending on your business structure, Airwallex may request additional information during onboarding. Canadian businesses are typically asked to provide business details and verification documents. These can include a business number, proof of business registration such as articles of incorporation or a business license, and government-issued identification for the business owner. Airwallex reviews these documents as part of its compliance and verification process. Once your application has been submitted, approval can happen quickly, although processing times vary depending on the information provided and the nature of the business. Airwallex states that applications typically take around 15 minutes to complete and are often reviewed within 1 to 3 business days. After your account is approved, you'll be able to access your Airwallex dashboard. From there, you can manage multiple currencies, receive international payments, send transfers around the world, and explore the other tools available on the platform. And that's it. I hope this helped you out. If you'd like to try Airwallex for yourself, you'll find a link in the description box below where you can sign up and get started for free with the Explore plan.